Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we've got Robert here representing Fill-Rite. Thanks for coming in today, Robert.
Man, thanks for having me.
Can you tell everybody a little bit about Fill-Rite?
Absolutely. You know, one of the big things about Fill-Rite is that it's an American-made company, man. Made in Fort Wayne, Indiana, or LENEXA, Kansas, that specializes in fuel transfer, DEF, fuel metering, pretty much anything in that fuel transfer game, we got it, man.
All right, cool. Well, I see you got a new pump in here today. Can you tell us a little bit about this pump?
Absolutely, love to, man. This is our new FR8. This comes as a cast iron technology, which is our pretty much everything of what we've always done and specialized in. It comes with a rotary vane technology. It's a scaled down version of our 1200 series and our 4200, so it's totally robust and made for the battle, man. Comes in two models. You can buy just the pump or you can buy the pump kit. And the kit components that comes with this pump is obviously you get your pump, you get a steel telescoping suction tube, you get a 12-foot hose, a manual nozzle, a 15-foot power cable, and man, you're ready for the game. Just do the install and get after it, baby.
Dang, well, it's got everything you need right here. So
Yeah.
what are some of the applications that this pump would be used
Man,
for?
this pump is fantastic for pretty much anything along that line of like a hobby farmer, an outdoor sports enthusiast that's with the power sports game, as well as maybe like landscapers, stuff like that. Guys that are needing fuel, that are not having to transfer tremendous amounts, but yet would like to have an automated way of doing so.
Well, there you have it, the FR8 pump. Thank you for giving us a rundown today. It's American-made, cast iron, rotary vane, scaled down version of Fill-Rite's most popular pump, and it'll be available soon at Earl Owen Company. Thanks again for coming in.
Thank you, man.
Hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And remember to tune in every week for more truck-related products like this. See y'all next week.